Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer if you're new here. So today's look is just going to be about this orange-ish look. I'm kind of introducing a bit of color to my channel, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep on watching. So first off, I'm just using my foundation as usual. I'm using the Maybelline Fitme foundation and I'm just applying that all over my face, and I'm going to be blending in with the Yanga Beauty Beauty blender, and this beauty blender is live. Seriously, it goes, guys. So next up, I'm spraying my face with the zaron setting spray just to make the makeup last even longer, and I'm going in with my Colourpop concealer in tan, I guess. I can't really remember the shade. So next I'm going in with a darker concealer shade for the rest of my highlighted area, and I'm just going to blend all of those in shortly. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also like this video if you do like this video. So after blending everything in, I'm going in with my contour from the Hegai and Esther contour kit, and I'm just applying that to the perimeter of my face, and I'm also going to blend everything all in. I'm basically just applying that to the perimeter of my face, my jawline. Now I'm just making sure everything is well blended, and I'm just going to continue blending basically until I don't see any harsh lines. So now I think I'm a bit comfortable with the blending, or not so much, but yeah, I'm just going to keep blending basically. Now I'm just setting with my Sacha Buttercup as usual, because I'm going to soon change this. I'm tired of Sacha as well. I really love Sacha, to be honest, but I just feel like I need something else. I need to have like an alternative. But yeah, I'm just going to be applying that all over the highlighted areas on my eyelid as well, and I'm setting the contoured area with my powder, and I'm using the Zikel cosmetic powder palette. So I'm just using the rest of the product to contour my nose. Next, I'm using my Yanga Beauty Brown Lution, my holy grail, for my brows, and I'm just using that to fill in my brows. And I'm using the Colourpop concealer as well to clean up my brows. By the way, I realized this late, but a flat head brush to clean up your brows is basically life. It makes everything so easy. Basically, I'm going to go in with this color first, this one next, then I'll come back to this one. I'm just going to tap the excess out, and I'll be using that in my crease area. Now I'm just going in the second time, but this time I'm just tapping the product into my crease. I'm not dragging it per se, I'm just tapping on. So now I'm going in with the second shade, and I'm just applying that a little bit below the crease area, but a little bit below the crease area. And now I'm going in with the third shade. So I'm going to take this neutral color here and apply it all over my lid. Basically, I mixed this one and this one because I want to stick with the orange tones. So now I'm just using a clean brush to kind of blend the eyeshadow that is close to my brow bone, and I'm just applying a wing liner, and I'm using, I think it's the Zikel Cosmetics wing liner. It's like a marker sort of. Then I'm just smudging the orange eyeshadow, the one I used last. I'm just smudging that in my lower lash line, and I'm also going to be using a darker brown shade to give it more depth. And I'm using my powder from my Zikel Cosmetic powder set, powder palette so to speak, and I'm just tapping that all over my face. Now I'm just going in with that blush I've just showed you guys, and I absolutely love it. I think it goes well with the theme of the makeup. It is orange as well, and it has like a little shimmer to it. It is amazing. It is from BH Cosmetics, I believe. So I literally forgot to click the record button, and anywho, you guys can see that I'm shining.
Is it recent by?
Yeah, like I really wish you guys saw like my reaction when I put it on. Like, it is so flipping pigmented. You just have to be careful with it. And they have absolutely different shades. They have for dark skin, like whatever shade you are, they got you covered. Brow bone, no. Oh shoot! Can you guys see?
Dramatic.
No, but can you see your future? Shh. I'm going to be using this MAC pencil. It's called Bittersweet. I'm just going to use that to line my lip. It's quite darker than I would have loved it to be. Damn. I'm just going to try to use my eyeshadow palette, and hopefully I don't hate the outcome. I'm going to take the orange color I used here. Can't really see anything. Okay, I'm just going to manage this, to be honest. Ooh, damn. That's all for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys in my next video.